Hello everyone, my name is Donghyun Kim, and I'm here to introduce you to the Maedeup project. Have you ever bought or sold something secondhand online? If you've ever felt that flicker of anxiety, that question of, can I really trust this person? Then I ask you to listen closely to my story. The reality we face is more serious than you might think. Please look at the screen. In South Korea alone, there are over 80,000 cases of fraud in the used goods market every year. The financial damage amounts to a staggering 240 million. This isn't just a number. It summons hard-earned money and it represents the immense scale of broken trust. I wanted to solve this problem. I used technology to eliminate the anxiety that plagues P2P transactions and create a new paradigm where everyone can trade with complete peace of mind. This is why I created Maedeup. And so we built Maedeup, connecting trust, sealing the deal. Maedeup is not just another marketplace app. It is decentralized trust protocol that operates on the blockchain executed by code. Instead of relying on human promises or centralized corporations, we trust in the power of transparent, immutable code. And to bring this innovation to life, we chose the Kaya blockchain as our foundation. Why Kaya? First, unparalleled access to the masses. Through national messengers like KakaoTalk, we can onboard countless Web2 users to experience the value of Web3 without any frictions. Second, the potential of Korea Won backed stablecoin. For a stablecoin pegged to the Korean won to thrive, people need a place to actually use it. Maedeup provides the most powerful and intuitive use case for a stablecoin in real-world commerce, free from the worries of volatility. Finally, powerful performance. Kaya speeds, processing sounds of transaction per second, enable a seamless experience where users don't even feel the underlying blockchain technology. Now, let me show you exactly how Maedeup makes all of this possible. At first glance, Maedeup looks familiar like any other marketplace you've used. It's intuitive and easy to navigate, but behind the scenes, a completely different technology is at work. Our first core feature, smart contract escrow. Traditional escrow services are mediated by people and charge high fees. But with Maedeup, everything is automated. As you can see, when a buyer deposits payment, the funds are not held by a person or a company. They are secured in a digital vault called a smart contract. Once the delivery is complete, the funds are released to the seller instantly and automatically, as promised. The possibility of someone intercepting the money or delaying payment is completely eliminated by design. Second, Maedeup's unique economic model, the competitive deposit system. It's natural for multiple buyers to be interested in a popular item. Pay close attention to how the total value locked, as called TVL, increases every time a new buyer places a bid. Funds equivalent to several times the item's price are attracted to the platform. Why is this so important? Because these locked funds are used to generate DeFi yield. Look at the screen. Even while you're waiting for a transaction, your assets are hard at work, creating new value. Maedeup is more than a platform that charges fee. It's a financial protocol that returns profits to its users. This is our powerful, sustainable advantage that no Web2 platform can ever replicate. Of course, you might ask, how do you know the delivery is complete? The answer is Oracle. An oracle acts as a secure bridge, bringing real-world data onto the blockchain, like shipping information from a logistics company. As you can see, the moment that the package is delivered, that information is fed to the smart contract, triggering the final settlement. We're technologically eliminating the most common source of disputes, the I never received the item problem. Ladies and gentlemen, what I've shown you today is not just a demo for a second-hand marketplace app. This is a blueprint for every peer-to-peer transaction that requires trust. Starting with used goods, we will expand this trust protocol to every corner of the P2P economy where trust is capital, from freelance services and ticket resales to short-term rentals. We call this trust as a service. It's a new concept, TAS. Maedeup has the potential to become a killer DApp on the Kaya ecosystem, generating massive TVL and transaction volume. When the Korea One stablecoin becomes the lifeblood of the Korean economy, Maedeup will be the heart where that blood flows most actively. This is a journey to mend the broken prices of trust with technology, creating a safer and more efficient P2P economy. I invited you to join us at the beginning of this great journey. Thank you for your attention.